Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be bleeding the cooling system on my wife's BMW X1. Thanks for joining me. If you watched the previous videos, you know that this X1 has a coolant leak that I need to find. However, I also need to fill up the cooling system and bleed the system. It does have some air in there right now. And that is evident because we do have intermittent heat, and when you floor the accelerator you get more heat, and then when you let off the heat it kind of cools down. So it does indicate that there is air in that cooling system. So I'm going to show you, it's just a quick video, and I'm going to show you how to bleed the cooling system, which I need to do, and then a future video we're going to take a look and see if we can't find that coolant leak. So, but right now we're just going to get the cooling system bled. And so let's go ahead and get started. So with the hood open, we're going to take this cap off here. And then with that cap off, we're just going to put in some coolant to make sure that it is full. Alright, we're just going to get it up to where it says max inside there. Now this has an electric water pump. So we're going to go ahead and just put it in the on position. We're not going to start it. We're just going to put it in the on position. We're going to make sure that the heat is cranked all the way up on this, that the fan is cranked all the way up on this. And then we are going to hold the accelerator pedal to the floor for about 10 seconds, and that is going to activate that water pump. And you should hear that come on, and so we'll go check on this now. And you can see that it is doing something in there. You're getting some bubbles, and it is, you can hear that electric water pump. So it is trying to cycle through and bleed out that air. So it's just going to take a few minutes for it to do this, and it might take a few cycles of doing this with the coolant system here. Okay, so this has gotten all the air out of the system, or it appears to have gotten all the air out of the system. I'm going to go ahead and put this cap back on, and then I'm going to go ahead and start this up. We're going to let it run for a while, but I am still trying to diagnose where that coolant leak is, because that is also still an issue. So I got to see where that is on that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.